Good afternoon, teacher. Today I'm going to show you my video presentation. So, is this? Okay, in the first point, on the first step for the activity was using the vocabulary related for free time and fitness activities to create sentence using the following expressions. Using simple present. Okay, for the activities I used for in the affirmative and negative form was I'm a good at walking, I'm a good interested in go shopping, I'm into swimming, and I'm a keen on cooking. That was in the affirmative form. In the formative way, use I'm not good playing basketball, and I hate go running. Okay, that's I use it. For the step 5, I should choose a family member or a friend for compare or fitness and free time routines. Okay, my routine was in the morning. I usually listen to music, and in the afternoon I play video games. And in the night, I do exercise. And my uncle was the person I choose. He in the morning was to work because he work, and I don't. And he in the afternoon he study, me too. And in the night he come to make exercise. Well, we have a huge difference because he works and I don't. However, we have sometimes in common with both exercise. How you see, we have in the only we have in the only we have compare us was do exercise in the day. Okay, and in the final step, in the 8th step, we should describe the image using present continuous. Okay, in the image we can see a girl riding a bicycle, some kids playing football or soccer, a girl playing a skateboard, and a girl with roller skaters. And we can see a couple, maybe a couple or only two friends, studying. That I do it with using the present continuous. Okay, that's my video presentation, and I hope you like it. And that's all. Thanks for your attention.